Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to fix computer from buffering. Before you follow these steps, there are two main reasons for buffering and a slow computer. Number one is your internet. If you have an internet connection is too slow, call your internet provider and upgrade your service. Main reason number two, your router. Sometimes your router sends the video to internet connected too slow. What you can do fix this, restart your router, or you can plug in your laptop computer Ethernet cable directly. You can clean up your computer cooling fan and update your system graphic card drivers so you can get best result rapidly. Today I will show you some tips, then you can follow the steps to help remove the slow buffering from computer. Okay guys, what are you going to do? I'm going to type here to a search bar, typing a meter. meter meter. So you can see that the play streaming video at the lower resolution. Click on that. Okay, scroll down, then you can see I prefer video to play at a lower resolution. So if you have like that unchecked, then you can check. And next step, close the window. Okay, next step, going to again type here to search bar and type in control panel. You can see that pop-up control panel app. You can click on. After you click control panel, gonna be like that. You can see that network and internet might be use a different category large icon. If you have like that large icon, then you have to change the category. Go ahead and click that category. Gonna be coming like that. Then you can see that view network status and task. Can click on it. Going to page like that. Then you can see the internet and connection. Might be use a different access type. For the Wi-Fi connection might be Ethernet. Okay, if you have like that, then click that Wi-Fi or Ethernet. It doesn't matter, you have to click that connection Wi-Fi. Go into page like that, then properties. Click on that properties. So internet protocol version 4. If you have unchecked like that, then check it and press OK. Then close the tab and exit. Okay, I'm moving next step. You can see that right upper corner 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots. Scroll down, you can see that clear browsing data. Click that clear browsing data. Okay, first I'm going to clean up that basic clear browsing data and go ahead and clear data. Okay, after you clean up clear browsing data basic, then you can move to advanced. Same thing, browsing history, then download history, cookies and other site data. Can click everything if you want and clear data. Okay, after you clean up the clear browsing data, I'm going to move that next step. Okay, after you clean up basic and advanced clear browsing data, I'm going to move. The next step is you can go type here to search again. Type in the run. RUN run. You can open that run app. Click on it. Then type in temp. TEMP temp and press OK. Can see that when you doing everyday searching everything files and template downloading template file, so you have to delete these are one of another main reason slowing your computer buffering on videos. So you have to clean up all the temporary files before after you start your computer. Then go ahead and select all and right click and delete it. If you left something, then you skip. Okay, then you can exit the window. Okay, I am going to again type here to search, again run, and open the run file. Then I'm going to put percentage mark and again type in temp. Came back, I'm typing a percentage mark and press OK. Again, going to like that page, temporary files. Then you can do same thing what I did before. Then select all and right click on it and delete. After you've done everything, you can close the window. After done all cleanup, go ahead and restart your computer. And this video can help you fix a slow computer from buffering. One more time, don't forget to check your internet speed. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.